Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this traditional Italian dish. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced food names and recipe names from Italy as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is the name of an Italian pasta and chickpea stew. Pasta with chickpeas. So how do you pronounce this? Pasta, that you already knew. Meaning and. Pasta ceci. Ceci is how you want to say this. Pasta ceci or pasta and ceci, but you do really want to say it the Italian way. Pasta ceci. And now you know pasta and chickpeas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of Italian dishes, traditional Italian food whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.